Start with the greatest name of Allah, who is the controller of the world. Dear faculties, honorable teacher, chief guest, and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic which has been given to me is about the three golden principles of our great founder of Pakistan, Azam MUHAMMAD ATIF. Our great founder of Pakistan, he was one of the honest leaders. He devoted his whole life for the Pakistan, for the separate Muslim country. He was one of the ideal leaders. He considered every time about the Muslim. What should I do for the Muslim? By that they live their life with the full freedom. And there are the three rules which are called the golden principle: unity, faith, and discipline. Our great founder adopted his whole life and achieved Pakistan. So the first motto of our great founder of Pakistan is the unity. Unity is the thing by which we can live our life within full power. No one can dare to break our relation. No one can dare to break our country. We can live our life with the full freedom. Today in all country unity is being preferred. But if I talk about our country, so unfortunately today we don't have unity. Today we have become slaves. We fight with each other for a little bit thing. Our government, they don't perform their responsibilities because they don't perform their responsibility. Everyone is being killed for money because they just want their life with the full comfort. They don't care about the Pakistan. In this era, we need unity. Even to achieve or destroy, we need unity. If the terrorists had no unity, even they would not ever have been to cause as much destruction from Kashmir in achievement. Thousands of the people have migrated just because of terrorists. Terrorists have their own unity in their thought, in their action, in their spirit. That's why they are able to as much destruction as per their target. So we need unity. In order to make the significant achievement, we need unity. Is the most ingredient thing in this world, unity. Because unity is the power by which we can live. And the second motto of our great founder of Pakistan, which was given by him, is the faith. Faith is that whatever given us by the Huzur sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we will have to follow. We don't have any other choice. Pakistan not only means freedom, independence, but the Muslim ideology which has to be present, which has come to us as a gift, as a pleasure, as a precious gift. But we hope from others they share with us. But there is no one who has complete faith. You can see every time we speak lie. We fight with each other. If the person goes to perform namaz, masjid, so when he comes back, so the fear of the slipper has been stolen, then we say proudly, we are the Muslim. Is it the faith? No, this is not the faith. We should deny this all kind of things, then we will be called the true Muslim. And the third motto of our great leader, the discipline. Discipline cannot be achieved without respect for any element of the constitution. But the same we are not following. Today we don't take any decision from our elder because we think we can do everything. I am the person, I can do everything. By that we break the motto of Azam MUHAMMAD ATIF. Because we should think 100 times, I would love to say 1,000 of the time, we should think to break any decision, to take any decision or to break any the principle, because it was said by our great founder of Pakistan, Azam MUHAMMAD ATIF. I don't believe take a right decision, I take decision and make it right. There is two power. One is sword, one is the pen. So think before 100 times, take any decision. But once you take the decision, so stand like as a lion. These are the essence of the Muslim country, and I will love to end my speech about this poetry. रातों को उठकर ख्यालों में खोकर यादों से होकर, तुम्हें क्या खबर है मैं अपने खुदा से क्या मांगता हूँ। वीरानों में जाकर दामन फैलाकर आंसू बहाकर, तुम्हें क्या खबर है मैं अपने खुदा से क्या मांगता हूँ। मैं आदम के बेटे की आंखों से जाती हया मांगता हूँ। मैं हवा की बेटी से सर से उतर की रिदा मांगता हूँ। मैं खुरेज़ों में पनाह मांगता हूँ। मैं इस कड़े वक्त में बस अपनी वतन की बका मांगता हूँ।